Right now, the radar is showing signs of activity about 50 to 60 miles off the coastline. Some of the heaviest rain here this morning is actually to our north between Cross City and Cedar Key. And you can see those thunderstorms north of Spring Hill. This overall southwesterly flow that flipped overnight is going to cause us to see some showers and thunderstorms arrive earlier today. Right now, the heaviest rain with the little thunderstorm there is about 50 miles off the coastline as you go from Sanibel Captiva out. We will watch for some leading showers to move through here in a few hours. The morning commute should be all right, but some areas from North Fort Myers, Babcock Ranch down to downtown Fort Myers, you may see some ponding on the roadways because yesterday we picked up a lot of heavy rain. Matter of fact, we broke a record out at Page Field. You can see the Doppler radar estimates here along I-75, anywhere from Daniels, Colonial, where we saw 3.5 to almost 4 inches of rain. Naples, 0. But look at the totals there in Fort Myers. We broke the record, the old record 3.03 going back to 1955. We picked up officially 3.12. Today, we're going to add more rainfall to locations here in Southwest Florida, an 80% chance to see some rain in your backyard. We're starting off the morning warm, upper 70s along the coast. Dew point values stay high as our winds are calm this morning. The overall flow again out of the southwest will bring those showers and storms in earlier. We hit 96 yesterday, our high today 90, and that's due to the clouds and the fact that rain will arrive earlier in the day. Almanac shows a record of 96 going back to 1996, average high of 90, so we'll be a little closer to that after we have seen a stretch of really above average temperatures, breaking entire records going back to late last week. Now the setup, you've got Hurricane Earl south of Bermuda, you've got this frontal system to our north, and that's what has flipped the wind. As we look at the computer model for today, you see those showers and storms 2-3 o'clock. They'll linger here through the evening hours, and by midnight we'll still see a 30% chance of a hit or miss shower. And by Friday, you get the idea. That pattern not changing here. So 80 to 90% chance of rain the next couple of days. I want to break down today. Computer model showing some of those showers and storms here between Arcadia and Immokalee around 2 o'clock. More widespread coverage by 6. So this is where we get a little more of the widespread coverage. And then you can see it lingering here through 9 o'clock with some strong storms still rolling along the coastline. I want to get you a check of the tropics this morning where tropical storm Danielle is losing a little strength as it moves rapidly now at 16 miles per hour to the northeast. It's going to do a little loop and eventually a remnant low here impacting Portugal and Spain on Monday night into Tuesday morning. Earl is doing just the opposite as far as strength. This one is a category 2 with winds of 105 miles per hour. As it moves off to the north at 9, it is forecast to become a major hurricane, the first of the season. As a matter of fact, a category 4 here late in the day Friday into early on Saturday. Elsewhere in the tropics, we've got one area that's potentially our next depression or storm. 70% chance here in the next 5 days, and another one coming off the coast of Africa with a 30% chance over the next 5 days. 7-day forecast here shows the stormy weather pattern continuing by the time we get to Sunday and Monday, hoping to squeeze out a little more sunshine as we get back to those later afternoon showers and storms.